Hello YouTube, welcome to Big Bus, your one and only tech destination. Today we are going to talk about CapCut Video Editor. Are you looking for a powerful and easy to use video editor for your YouTube channel or social media content? Look no further than CapCut. In this video, we'll give you a complete introduction to CapCut, including its features, tools, and how to use them to create stunning videos. CapCut is freely available for Windows and Mac computers. Also, it's freely available for mobile devices. You can easily download CapCut Video Editor for Windows PC using your Windows App Store. Just type CapCut in search bar. You can go to the page. You need to have a 64-bit Windows version to install CapCut, Windows 10 or higher version. Also, it is recommended to use RAM of 8 GB with a 2 GB video card. I've already installed the CapCut Video Editor in my PC. This is the first window you are getting, the welcome screen. You can see the recently created projects in this video. Let's create a new project. Let's take a look at the interface. CapCut has a simple and intuitive layout with the timeline at the bottom, preview window in the center, and tools effects on the right hand side. To get started, simply import your clips into the timeline and arrange them in the order you want. You can also trim and split clips and adjust the speed and duration of each clip. Let's import something. Just drag and drop the video to the timeline. Next, let's take a look at the effects and tools. CapCut has a wide range of effects including filters, transitions, and text overlays. You can also use the tools to adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturations of your clips and add music and sound effects. This is the audio library. You can use them to create your videos. This is the text effect window. There are text templates you can use. Some of them are you need to download from the internet, so you need a working internet connection to use these effects. There are some stickers you can use and effects. There are so many beautiful effects you can use. Also video transitions. Huge collection of video transitions available you to use. You can add filters. Finally, when you are ready to export your video, simply click on the export button and choose your desired resolution and format. CapCut will then render your video and you can share it with the world. Your resolution, bitrate, record it, and the format and frame rate. Just click export to export the video. And that's it. With CapCut you have everything you need to create amazing videos for YouTube channel or social media content. So what are you waiting for? Download CapCut today and start creating. I hope this video will be a great help to get a brief understanding about CapCut Video Editor.